I'll be installing 4 Pylontech batteries to actually be going into a server rack. We'll be using it with our Galaxy Energy inverter, which is an 8 kilowatt inverter. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and give us a like. Right here we have the rack itself, and also we have the 4 Pylontech UP5000 batteries. Also, I have right here the cables that will be used for the installation. When you're actually lifting the Pylontech UP5000, you want to make sure that you're at least 2 people. The battery weighs around 42 kg. Well, I can lift it myself, but it's always best to, have someone to assist, especially when you're putting it in the server rack.
So here's a backstory to the Pylontech battery. This was a replacement from one of our customers that got a much larger battery, but there's a hunch that the batteries have started to fail. So the main intent is to put the batteries together and to test it over time to see and try to fix the problem. But yeah, this is also a good teaching moment. Batteries like Pylontech require more technical expertise compared to standard 20 kilowatt lithium batteries that just requires you to plug and play. And I don't think I would ever pass off the opportunity to get my hands dirty putting these batteries together.
So I'm going to link port 1 to 0, link port 0. Let me just keep that far away. Link port 0, then 1. So because this is going to be our master, we're going to use the link port 1. Then to the next battery, it's going to be link port 0, and then link port 1 to link port 0. So it's time to connect the cables from the positive. We're going to be connecting to like all the positives. Now it's time to connect, the Pylontech, cables to the inverter. That is being connected already. We have, and don't mind like all this, these are all going to be eventually worked on and properly done. But yeah, we have our batteries already connected. As you can see, even the communication cable is already connected. The battery total positive and the total negative down here. Then we have like major connections, the parallel connections from one battery to the next. So each battery is 4.8 kilowatts. The total battery pack, that should be around 19.2 kilowatts, which is actually, pretty awesome. They are all connected. Basically, everything should power on now. So, and the start switch, and everything just goes on like that, because yeah, this is the master and the rest are basically the slaves. So all batteries are basically powered on. So let's see if we have our inverter running. We're just going to put on the switch right there, and we have power. Wow. So we currently have about 52.6 volts, and that's coming from 52.6 volts coming from the battery itself. So once you see the green light, it shows you that the battery is basically powered on. So let's see if we can do some settings on this and get it up and running. And just the basic setting is to get it to lithium. So we'll just see what the battery settings are. And yes, we are fully powered and the battery is working. Basically everything is working. The only thing now is to arrange some of the cables that are here And yes, the battery is basically powered, basically going up. We have a little bit of solar in there, so yeah, this is like basically good. So what's next is to just like test it. I will not be testing with the air conditioners today because this needs to be powered up, and that will come in another video, so we will see how much this can actually do in another video. But I'll just be doing like little tests here and there, just one test actually. I'll be testing it with this deep freezer right here. So once that connection is done, I'm going to let you know. And yeah, so we have this socket right here. Some of you would remember this. So let's see. And yes, the freezer works. It's basically powered. There's literally nothing inside, but yeah, definitely works. And we're basically running on this battery. So there's still a lot of work to be done here. And once that is done, we're going to be seeing this in full action in another video. All right, friends, I hope you learned something new. So we basically powered up the UP5000 with the Galaxy Energy, and that's pretty awesome. For some of you that don't actually know that, those two are actually compatible. They are very compatible and they work perfectly. In the next video, we're going to be showing you so much more. But for now, catch you in the next one. If you've not liked and subscribed to our channel, please do that. We would love to hear from you. And also follow us on our PAM review series page on Telegram. That link is going to be in the description below. Catch you in the next video. Cheers.